So if you're looking to weld things in the iOS app, it is under the Actions menu. So every single lesson from this group will be under the Actions menu, and that is where weld is found. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And when you're welding things, what a weld will do, it will fuse the two shapes together as if they are one item. So for example, with this, I'm going to go ahead and select this, and I'm going to fuse the heart and the star together. Like I said, it's under the Action menu, and we're going to go ahead and click on the weld, and that is found right here. So I'm going to click on that, and you're automatically going to see that the shape is now one. I can go ahead and click, it moves as one single piece, and this would cut out as one single piece. Other uses for weld is, of course, when we're talking about text, and especially when we're talking about cursive writing or maybe some letters are touching each other. So right now you can see that they're actually individual letters, and I'm going to go ahead and weld those together as well. And now that is one piece. It's not a group. That is one solid cursive piece minus the C, the gap between the C and the U at the beginning. All right. Now, a couple things to remember when you weld. You are not able to unweld. So, I can't select this and find an unweld button on here. What you will have to do if you accidentally welded something that doesn't look good, you're going to have to use the undo button. And when you click the undo, now you go back to where you were before. So there's that heart and star with that. All right. So that's how the weld works. And if you want to practice with this file, I'll leave the link in the description box. Okay.